Hi, I'm excited to have you here again. I'm Oluwakemi. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. If a guitar string is 85 centimeters long, calculate the wavelength of each fundamental note. Let us get to understand the concept of the guitar string. Okay, so if we have the string, okay, let's say this is what we have. Alright, this is the string, the guitar string. Alright, so for the first harmonic of a guitar string, the length of the wave, okay, the length of the wave is twice the length of the string. Okay, that is, we have the length just something like this. Alright, and this from here to here is the wave length. Alright, from here to here. So that forms the first harmonic of the guitar string. Alright, so to calculate the wavelength, we are simply saying we multiply the length of the string by 2, and this is going to give us 2 times 85 centimeter, and that will give us 170 centimeter. So this is the wavelength. So the answer option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.